Kaseya Connect, day one of the most interesting announcements has to be the OneAPI, the ability to connect all the millions of data points across each of the Kaseya components into a single framework across their entire spectrum. Where I think that's going to be really interesting is what it does for cyber forensics, when the security technologies can inform the backup technologies of when do the bad things start to happen. I think the risk score is going to help MSPs to actually be much more proactive in oversight and monitoring for their subscribers' environments. And frankly, the idea of connecting all those points together might actually be Kaseya's superpower. Here's the deal. Every backup product makes copies of stuff, right? Every backup product typically has one thing that they notably do different than all the others. In Kaseya's case, it might just be the fact that, unlike just pointing an AI at a backup repository to figure out what kinds of data you have, in a managed tenant framework, in theory, Kaseya knows a lot more about what data matters because of the business units and the teams the data came from, because of those managed frameworks, which makes the MSP a more strategic valued partner, and in theory informs the Kaseya product lines how to protect the data better, retain it longer according to regulatory compliance or sovereignty or whatever those other cases might be. But it might just be that contextual awareness, because of that managed framework, is the superpower. We'll see how that unfolds throughout 2026.